Patio doors are a beautiful feature in many Knoxville homes. They let in natural light, create easy access to outdoor living spaces, and enhance the overall look and value of a property. But beyond style and convenience, patio doors play a critical role in home security. When installed correctly, they can significantly strengthen your home's protection. When installed poorly, they can become one of its most vulnerable entry points. For homeowners in Knoxville, where seasonal storms, humidity, and changing temperatures are part of everyday life, proper patio door installation is not just about aesthetics, it's about safety and long-term peace of mind. Why patio doors can be a security risk. Patio doors, especially sliding glass doors, are often targeted by intruders. Large glass panels in rear-facing locations can make them seem less secure than front entry doors. If a patio door is improperly installed, gaps, weak framing, or misaligned locks can make forced entry much easier. Common installation mistakes include frames that aren't properly anchored to the structure, doors that don't fully latch or lock, weak or missing reinforcement around the locking mechanism, poor sealing that leads to frame shifting over time. These issues may not be obvious at first glance. However, they can compromise both your security and energy efficiency over time. How professional installation strengthens security. Proper patio door installation begins with precise measurements. A door that fits perfectly within its opening is far more secure than one that has been forced to fit or shimmed excessively. A tight fit reduces movement, prevents prying, and ensures the locking system aligns correctly. Secure anchoring is another key factor. Professional installers fasten the frame directly into the structural framing of your home, not just the surrounding trim. This creates a solid connection that resists forced entry attempts. In Knoxville homes where shifting soil or seasonal humidity changes can affect structures, this extra attention to structural anchoring is especially important. Correct alignment of the locking system also makes a significant difference. Modern patio doors often feature multi-point locking systems, reinforced strike plates, and anti-lift mechanisms. These features only work effectively when the door is installed square and level. Even a slight tilt can prevent locks from fully engaging, reducing their protective capabilities. The role of high-quality materials. Insulation and materials go hand in hand. Even the strongest patio door won't provide full protection if it's installed incorrectly. However, when high-quality doors are properly fitted, they offer enhanced security features such as tempered or laminated safety glass, reinforced steel or fiberglass frames, impact-resistant glass options, built-in anti-lift technology for sliding doors. In Knoxville, where severe weather can occasionally bring high winds or flying debris, impact-resistant options provide added peace of mind while also improving security. Improved sealing means added protection. A properly installed patio door is tightly sealed against the elements. While this improves energy efficiency, it also plays a security role. Gaps around the frame can weaken structural stability and create opportunities for prying tools. Professional installation ensures flashing, insulation, and weather stripping are applied correctly. This not only protects against moisture damage, which can weaken wood framing over time, but also keeps the door frame stable and secure for years to come. Long-term security benefit. Over time, poorly installed patio doors can sag, shift, or develop alignment problems. As hardware loosens and frames settle unevenly, locks may stop functioning properly. Routine wear becomes a security concern. When installed correctly from the beginning, patio doors maintain their structural integrity much longer. Homeowners experience smoother operation, consistent locking performance, and fewer repair issues. That means fewer vulnerabilities and less worry. Peace of mind for Knoxville homeowners. Knoxville residents take pride in creating safe, comfortable homes for their families. Whether you live in a quiet suburban neighborhood or closer to downtown, securing every entry point is essential. Patio doors should enhance your lifestyle, not create a weak spot in your home's protection. Investing in proper patio door installation ensures your home benefits from advanced locking systems, durable materials, and expert craftsmanship. It also helps your doors withstand Tennessee's changing weather conditions while maintaining long-term structural stability. Ultimately, security starts with proper installation. When your patio doors are installed with precision and care, you gain more than natural light and backyard access. You gain confidence knowing your home is better protected for years to come.